but hi, beautiful people. Sometimes we become a bit shaky and uncertain of who we are because of painful life experiences. We begin to exist without actually truly living, and we lose the unique essence of who we are. We lose sight of our true magnificence. And believe me, I know what that's like. I've been there, and I really understand, especially when you feel like you're not being seen or heard. So if this is resonating for you and you yearn to ignite or reignite a strong value-led and absolutely loving life, so you can connect to your unique feminine essence, your true inner beauty. And I'm so good at holding space for you to do that so that you can return to more self-love. I invite you to come on a creative and inspiring transformative journey with me in the next Return to Love program. At Return to Love, we focus on the journey, weaving together creative and expressive sensory activities and processes that actually really work. We use a unique blend of art therapy and creative expression using really yummy art mediums. You get the chance to explore all sorts of different things, and you do not need to know anything about art. I will guide you through everything. So immediately take that expectation off your shoulders. We look at personal development, intuitive guidance, do some journaling, meditation, mindfulness, and inspiring group energies. The healing that occurs through shared experience is so valuable. It's just really is very precious. And within all these processes, I will help you to explore and make sense of what is happening for you, to guide you to get what lies within you out of you so that you can see it from a different perspective. And in doing so, free yourself from pain and heavy baggage. It is very, very powerful. This creates space, of course, for you to grow and to grow that strong and value-led life filled with purpose and joy. So I wonder, what is it that you actually need to bring to the program? Well, all I ask is that you come with an open heart and an open mind and be prepared to make some lasting positive change, because you will. I invite you to open up to loving more of you by clicking the link below and going into the website and just having a look at all of the processes that you will learn and the amazing value that this program offers. Within the price, there is a free individual art therapy session, just so that if there's anything that comes up for you that where you want to explore it individually, you have the opportunity to do that. There's a free support Facebook page as well, organic teas and snacks, and of course all the art materials, and so much more. There's some really beautiful little gifts that I weave into the program as well. Also, if you would prefer to have a chat, I'm very happy to offer you a 30-minute free discovery call. So just send me a text message and we can arrange that. And if you know of anybody else that you feel will benefit from this program, please share the love and forward this, and I look forward to hearing from you. So much love and creativity. Take care. Bye.